This is the ALFA UW10 wireless and adapter. This is mainly used when the computer does not have Wi-Fi. Let's see how to install this wireless Wi-Fi adapter in Windows 11. First, plug the Wi-Fi adapter into your PC. After plugging in the adapter, go to your PC. The wireless Wi-Fi adapter is now installed on the PC, so Wi-Fi is showing on the PC. Now you can connect your PC to Wi-Fi. If the Wi-Fi adapter does not work after plugging it into the PC's USB port, then go to the second method. Unplug the Wi-Fi adapter from here and plug the Wi-Fi adapter into your PC's USB 2.0 port. After plugging the Wi-Fi adapter into the USB 2.0 port, Wi-Fi will appear on your PC and you can browse the internet. This is how you can install the ALFA UW10 wireless Wi-Fi adapter.